Uses of connectors contrast 2. Compiled and voiced by Nageswara Rao A. English teacher Sri Prakash. In this lesson, let us learn how to join two sentences that contrast each other using the following connectors: in spite of, despite, in contrast to, contrary to. Let us study the following example. It was raining heavily. We went out. The above two sentences contrast each other. To join above sentences, we use the structure connector plus noun or V4 form of the verb or a pronoun like that, this and what. In spite of the rain, we went out. In spite of raining, we went out. Despite the rain, we went out. We went out in contrast to the rain. Now, let us study these examples and try to understand the concept better. In spite of the traffic, I arrived on time. Despite the traffic, I arrived on time. She wasn't well. Despite this, she went to her office. She wasn't well. On the contrary to this, she went to her office. I didn't get selected in spite of having all required qualifications. I didn't get selected despite the fact that I had all required qualifications. I didn't get selected contrary to having all required qualifications. In our next lesson, we learn about another set of connectors, contrast. Let learning continues.